Yeah, I didn't expect that when I pulled up. Like right when I pulled up, there was a cop car sitting there. I'm like, oh, because it looks like there's the dog park right here. So when I walked over here to shoot my intro, I'm like, oh, a canine. It's like, I was getting ready to do a Fire Up Friday. Hey, good times though. He was friendly. Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. It is giveaway time. So something I need to do more on my channel. We're doing giveaways. We're trying to do more of is giveaways. And I shot most of this at home yesterday. So I'll cut to home. We'll go over the goodies. Draw the winner. I'll cut the camera, come back, congratulate them, and everything else. Now, if you're angry because you're thinking, damn it, I missed another giveaway. What the hell? I didn't see you announce it. Now, this is my fourth, I think, giveaway where I don't announce. I do giveaways for commenters, not just, I'm not trying to do subscriber giveaways. So, if you want to win future giveaways, don't forget to comment on any videos. Because you don't know what video I'm going to do either, so it could just be at random. And I know for a fact, 100%, I've got 2 more giveaways in mind, so it's worth it to comment. Alrighty, so here are all the names. If you commented on my video, you're automatically entered. No announcement. If I already have your address, I'm just going to automatically send it. Probably the day I upload the video, or the next day, whatever. Of course, my email will be in the description if you're I like drawing names versus the random comment generator. So I'm going to get all these situated and then... Alrighty. So here are all the names. If you commented on my video, you're automatically entered. No announcement. If I already have your address, I'm just going to automatically send it. Probably the day I upload the video, or the next day, whatever. Of course, my email will be in the description if you're I like drawing names versus the random comment generator. So I'm going to get all these situated and then... Well, there we go. Congratulations, Michael Brunner. Today is Wednesday as I'm filming this, so I'm going to upload this for Thursday, which means I have to run home and edit. But I actually mailed it yesterday, so you should be getting it Thursday or Friday. So, again, congratulations. Don't forget to comment on this video or future videos. You never know what I'm going to do a giveaway on. And by the way, I just got paid by Google, so I have a little extra spending money. Just saying, don't miss out. All right, thanks again for watching. Tomorrow is Fired Up Friday, so stay tuned for that. And I'll catch you next one. Peace.